Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to edit Canva templates. In this example, I'm going to be using my Instagram Black Friday bundle. And so if you've actually purchased this from my shop, once your payment has gone through, you'll get access to a link, which is actually a PDF, which then also has a link, which will direct you to this page. And so once you click on that, also make sure you're logged into your Canva account. So yeah, just click on use template. From there, it'll just automatically create a copy for you in your account. You can change the name if you like. To view all your templates, just click on grid view. You can see what's there. And so let's use this one as an example. To edit the text, you would just click on the text that's already there. You can also delete it if you don't want it there. And so, yeah, you can change the size by moving the anchor point over there. You can also do that by clicking the text size buttons here. Change the font. And then if you want like a certain font for the entire template, anywhere where there was previously a certain style of font, you can change them all at once just by, it'll give you this option here. So it was originally Madison, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. And yeah, this is the one that I've just selected, so it gives you the option to change everything all at once, but I'm not going to be doing that right now. So anyways, you can also change the font color. If you have your own photos that you want to include in them, all you have to do is just drag and drop your images to Canva, and it'll automatically save in your uploads. So these are a few that I've already uploaded to my account, and so once you're ready to put them into your Canva template, just again drag and drop. And you can adjust also the placement of these. You can also edit the image if you like. And then you can also add other elements if you want. So yeah, so that is just some basic Canva things that you can do in Canva. And so anyhow, once you're ready to download your images, just go to share, download, choose the file type. I usually just stick with PNG if I'm uploading these to Instagram or social or Facebook. And then you can choose if you want to download all the pages or if you just want a specific one. So let's just pretend we're doing that one. Hit download. And then it just takes like a minute or less. And then it'll show up in your downloads folder. And then from there, just send this image to your phone and upload to your social media. And so anyways, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions at all, feel free to send me a message or leave a comment in this video. And good luck with your templates. Bye!